friends, welcome to Tech Hunt YouTube channel in English. This is Swarna. Let's get started today's tech news. Coming to the first news is about Vivo. Vivo is going to launch a new smartphone in India very soon as per the leaks, which is expected as Vivo Y12s. It is an upgraded version of the Vivo Y12. Already this mobile has been launched in few places like Indonesia, Jordan and Vietnam. This mobile has been certified by BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. This mobile is coming with the side-mounted fingerprint sensor and the water drop notch. Coming on to the specifications of this mobile, comes with Android 10 Fun Touch OS 11 on top. And coming to the display, it is having 6.51-inch HD plus display. It is powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio P35 SoC processor. And it is having 4 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage which is expandable. Coming to the camera, it is dual rear camera with 13 megapixel primary sensor and 2 megapixel secondary sensor. Coming to the front camera, it is 8 megapixel. It is having 3.5 mm headphone jack and 5000 mAh battery. Yet to get the official confirmation from the company side about the launch date. Moving to the next news is about Realme. Realme is going to launch a Realme Watch S Pro very soon. Along with Realme Watch S Pro, it is expected the launch of Realme S even. Realme company CEO Madhav Sheth has tweeted that this watch is the premium one and top end of the smartwatch. Looking into the specifications of this watch, it is having a round dial with AMOLED display and 420 mAh battery. Coming into the features of this watch, it measures the steps, distance, calorie measurement and monitors the heart rate. It has an automatic activity tracker and monitors the sleep as well. Yet to get the official confirmation from the company about the launch and price details. Moving to the next watch, Realme S. Already this watch has been launched in Pakistan and it costs around 7,000 rupees in Indian rupees. It is having 1.3-inch display, auto brightness display with 360 into 360 pixel resolution, and few more features are it is having 16 sports modes and monitors the heart rate and SpO2 even. Moving to the next news is about Oppo. Oppo has launched two new mobiles. They are Oppo Reno 5 5G and Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G. These two models are launched in China. Yet to get the details of availability in India. Along with these two models, it was expected the launch of one more series of this Oppo Reno 5, Oppo Reno 5 Pro plus 5G. But it was not launched. It is going to launch on December 24th. As of now, we have got the specifications of two models, Oppo Reno 5 5G and Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G. Looking into the specifications of both the models, coming into the display, Oppo Reno 5 5G is coming with 6.53-inch Full HD plus OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. Whereas Oppo Reno 5 5G Pro is coming with 6.55-inch Full HD plus OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. Oppo Reno 5 5G is powered by Snapdragon 765G SoC, whereas Oppo Reno 5 5G Pro is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus SoC. Coming to the RAM, both the models are available in 8GB RAM and 12GB variant. Coming to storage, both the models are available in 128GB and 256GB internal storage. Moving to the camera, the rear camera comes in quad cam setup, 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel. Moving to front camera, both the models are having 32 megapixel. Moving to battery, Oppo Reno 5 5G is having 4000 mAh battery and supports 65 watt fast charging. Whereas Oppo Reno 5 5G Pro is having 4350 mAh battery and supports 65 watt fast charging. Regarding connectivity, both the mobiles support dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack and having USB Type-C port of charging. These mobiles are available in different colors like Aurora Blue, Moonlight Night and Starry Night. Coming into the price details of Oppo Reno 5 5G, 8GB variant costs around 30,400, whereas 12GB variant costs around 33,700. Looking into the price details of Oppo Reno 5 5G Pro, 8GB variant costs around 38,200 rupees, whereas 12GB variant is available costs around 42,700. It's about Apple. Apple CEO Tim Cook had made an announcement that Apple is going to extend its work from home for its employees till the month of June 2021 due to pandemic situation. Into the next news is about Google. Google is bringing a new feature in its workspace for the users. Now, users can open and edit the files which are sent in Gmail directly in Google Sheets, documents or slides instead of downloading, saving and editing the files. One more feature Google has brought is page orientation, which allows more space while working in the Google. As of now, it is rolled out for few users. From January 5th, 2021, it will be reaching to all the users. Moving to the next news, Google Assistant has brought a new feature. This feature allows to read the notifications when you have received a message. This feature will work when your phone is connected to the wired headphones irrespective of 3.5mm headphone jack or Type-C port. This feature is allowed limitedly for Bluetooth. For this feature, all you need to do is permitting the Google Assistant to read out the notifications by changing your settings. Moving to the next news, Vodafone Idea has introduced a new postpaid family plan. This is available at the price of 948 rupees. Moreover, you can add up to 5 members in this plan by recharging 249 rupees for each member. This plan offers unlimited local STD and roaming calls, 100 SMS per month for both primary and secondary connections. Primary connection will get unlimited data, whereas secondary connection will get 30 GB. As of now, it is available in Uttar Pradesh East Circle and yet to get the details about the availability in other regions. So friends, this is all for today's tech news. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.